Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing the symmetry tree lead code sum. This is an easy problem. If you want to check other lead code problems, please check out my YouTube playlist. So this problem is to check if a tree is symmetric or not. What is a symmetry? So in this case, let me give you the scenario. In this case, just draw a line in the middle of the tree, and then let's suppose that you put this side over this side. So what happens is the 1 is in its place, you put 2 over 2, it matches. The children you put over each other, so 4 over 4 and 3 over 3. So that means it's a symmetry. If it's equal, it's a symmetry. But in this case, you draw a line in between, and then 1 is in its place, 2 goes over 2, which is fine. Here, when this goes here, it becomes a left node, right? And then it's not over this node, so it's not a symmetry, it's false. So that's the main idea of symmetric trees. So what you want to do is you want to traverse the left side and uh, traverse the right side and check if it's equal. Like the left side should be equal to the right side. If it's equal, then it's a symmetry. If it's not a symmetric tree. So let's suppose I have another function called check symmetry, and in this case I'm passing two trees of the same, same tree, but I'm just copying it because I don't want to traverse the same tree. It's just going to be very confusing. So I hope it makes sense why I did that. And then I'm going to call that function a public boolean because it's a boolean function. Check symmetry of tree node T1 and tree node T2. Oopsie, I'm making a lot of errors right now. It's okay. Alright, so I have two tree nodes here, and I want to do this initial check as always. If T1 equal to null and T2 equal to null, basically both are null, so both technically is a symmetry, so you return true. You also want to make another check where T1 equal to null or T2 equal to null. So this means if either one of them is a symmetry, I mean sorry, is a null value. So if this one is null and this one has a value, this becomes true, so you return false. I hope you understand why I'm doing this. If either one is null and the other one is not, then obviously both are not equal, so you're returning false. Okay, so you want to check a few things here. So you want to check if T1 value is equal to T2 value. So this is just checking if both the values are equal. And then you want to do this. You want to pass, this, this function into the loop again and again, like 2 times. I'll tell you why I'm doing this. So you want to check like the right side with the left side, right? So you want to do the T1 dot right and T2 dot right left, because you want to like check these, because in this part you'll be checking these values, and you want to do the same thing in like the left side and the right side. Hope I'm making sense. Just pause the video and analyze, you'll understand. You're just checking the right side of the T1 with the left side of the T2, and then left side of the T1 with the right side. And if all of that is true, you're gonna return. So If all these statements are true, towards the end it will be true. If not, it will be false, so it's not a symmetry. So that's the problem. It work. Yeah, so 100%. So that's the problem. It's pretty simple. You can look at the code. If you like the solution, please like the video, and thanks for watching. Bye.